Good evening people, or good afternoon people. Thank you for watching Mass Formation. Today I'm just about to head out to JBR, Marina Mall or the Marina area, and then maybe go to eat somewhere later on. As you can see, the weather is absolutely fantastic, nice and cool, cloudy. It's awesome weather to explore Dubai, so I'm gonna set off. We're gonna record the journey all the way, and it's just gonna be a lazy day today, so I hope you enjoy it. Just going under the Al-Barsha toll gate, starting system. Lost you, faulted on us. Every time we got in before moving. The Dubai Marina Mall on the right hand side, directly connected with the metro station. Or is this the, sorry, this is not connected with the metro station, this is connected with the tram station. This is the beauty of Dubai. You don't need to actually get a ticket. You can just send a text message to that number, and it will automatically put the ticket on your car. So if the parking warden comes over, you just type your number plate in, and it will show you whether you've paid for it or not. So we finally parked our car, put the ticket on it. We're ready. We're set. Now we're going to walk down to JBR. We're going to go through Marina, take a nice walk, see what's happening. So come on. So as you can see, there are some restaurants. All these boats, they do like excursions in the evening, where you get dinner on the boat, buffet. We're here. Perfect timing. I think it's around 4 o'clock right now, and it's still nice. The weather is nice. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. It's just beautiful. So here are Jumeirah Beach residences. On the left hand side we've got all the hotels, residences where people stay, people come on vacation, people live here. On the right hand side we have got the beach, the famous Jumeirah Beach. In the middle we've got plenty of restaurants, retail, shopping. We've got a cinema on the right, adventure parks. It's filled with everything. So if you're coming on vacation and you choose to stay here, the best place to stay. You're gonna see a lot of things. All the facilities are available here. All the restaurants are available here. Got a Five Guys burger joint there. We've got Cheesecake Factory, Texas Roadhouse, Hilton Hotel. We've got everything. So let's walk over to the beach itself and we'll see what else we've got. That's the skydiving. So the plane takes off from here every, I think like every 15 or 20 minutes. Takes a bunch of people in the sky, throws them down, and then it lands back here again. Let's see it. That's the strip where it takes off from. So you've got the jet skis here that you can rent out. Let me find out for you how much it costs. Jet ski.
Right.
We'll ask somebody how much is the jet ski. 20 minutes is 420 dirhams, almost like £100 for 20 minutes. So you can decide whether you want to take it or you want to give it a miss. It's the same plane that took off like 10 minutes ago. It's landing back. These guys continuously build luxury hotels on the beachfront. Fascinating how premium these hotels are and how cool they are. It's awesome. I think between December and Feb, or December till March, is definitely the best time to visit Dubai. I mean, the weather is fantastic. There's no humidity, there is slight. Brilliant. You can't wish for anything better. So there you have it, a quick tour of the beach, JBR. It's quite famous, one of the famous beaches in Dubai. Now we're going to head over to Marina. We're going to go for a walk in there. There's a really nice mosque there. And we're going to check it out, pray namaz there. Then after that, maybe go out somewhere to eat. So let's go. Five Guys is actually a really nice burger joint, you know. It's juicy burgers, fresh. And I think this is the only place in Dubai that does salt and vinegar to put on your chips. This is the Hilton Hotel.